If your vehicle came with wired CarPlay but have been looking for a wireless solution, this CarlinKit Mini Pro is seamless. Once you connect the unit to your phone via Bluetooth, every time you plug this into your vehicle's USB-A or C connection, the Apple CarPlay shows on the screen within 16 seconds. Now, I have had several other brands reach out to me to try out their wireless adapters, but I haven't responded because I haven't really seen the need to. These CarlinKit products just work, and this new mini version that they're allowing me to test out is by far the best product I have seen from them compared to their other models. Getting this set up is really easy, but there are some things you need to know. But before we dive into that, if you're new to the channel, I want to say welcome and would love for you to join the subscriber family. You'll first want to disconnect your phone from the vehicle's Bluetooth radio connection. Plug in the CarPlay adapter to the vehicle. Once it boots, it will automatically recognize the CarPlay connection and will pair with your radio in the background. You will then just need to connect your phone to the CarlinKit via Bluetooth, which is called Vehicle Connection 5C4F. Go through the CarPlay setup prompts and then you should be up and running. I've had this installed for a few weeks now and I've been able to try out the navigation and play music through the system, and I've had no issues. Another great thing that works with this adapter is the steering wheel controls. If you hold down the button on the steering wheel, it will activate Siri and you just tell her who you want to call. Now, this audio being Bluetooth, you will get a little bit of audio delay, but I've had no issues on the phone talking over each other. All in all, for the price, this is a great wireless CarPlay adapter, and I've been very pleased with its operation. Thanks for watching, and until next time, see y'all.